If you have ever wondered why some fried rice tastes so rich and flavorful, the secret isn't just in the vegetables, it's in how the rice is cooked. Today, I'm sharing my favorite way to make fried rice by cooking the rice in seasoned stock first. Every grain comes out fluffy, colorful, and packed with flavor. For this recipe, we will need rice, beef, carrots, green beans, onion, bell pepper, and spring onion, white pepper, ginger and garlic paste, curry powder, a mix of blended green spices, oil, vegetable oil, seasoning cubes, salt, and pepper. Pepper is very optional. I'll begin the cooking process by dicing my onion, my spring onion, and the bell pepper. Look at that. Nice. Now I'll wash the rice well to remove the excess starch. This simple step helps the grains to stay light and separate. Wash until you see that the water is clear. Pour the rice into a strainer and allow it to stand for about 5 minutes to drain out the excess water. Next, I'll place a pot over medium heat and add in cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, I will add in the chopped onions and saute it until it becomes soft and fragrant. Then I'll add in the washed rice into the pot, stirring continuously to make sure that the aroma from the onion spread evenly in the pot. I will fry the rice over medium heat until I see a golden brown color. Once that golden brown color is achieved, I will pour in my chicken stock. If you don't have stock, water works too, but stock gives the rice a much deeper flavor. Then I'll go in with the green spice mix and stir well. Add in some seasoning cubes, salt to taste, garlic and ginger paste, white pepper, then I'll add in some water. I'll stir everything together and bring it to a gentle boil. Next, I'll remove my already boiled meat from the pot and slice them. Always cut your meat to your desired sizes. Then I'll move over to frying the beef. Once I'm done frying, I will set it aside for later use. Now it's time to add some color to our fried rice. In a pot, I will saute the onions first. Then I'll add the green beans and carrots since they need a little more time to cook. Then I'll go ahead and give it a good mix so that everything blends together nicely. Next, I will add in my bell peppers and my spring onion, some curry powder, a pinch of salt, some seasoning cube, just to add more flavor and taste to the vegetable. The goal here is not to overcook the vegetables. We want them bright, colorful and slightly crispy. Now add the already fried beef into the vegetable and mix well. Next, I'll add the vegetable mix little by little into the seasoned rice. Then I'll allow it to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat, and our fried rice is ready. And there it is, colorful and incredibly flavorful fried rice. Every spoonful is packed with delicious flavor because the rice was seasoned from the very beginning. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more recipes, and let me know in the comments which method do you prefer, boiling the rice first or cooking it in seasoned stock. Thank you so much for watching. May God bless the works of your hands and fill your homes with love, joy, and plenty. I'll see you in the next recipe. Bye bye.